These motorcycle helmet speakers use modern wireless technology to link with two phones at once, so you can stream music and follow navigation prompts without juggling devices. Sound quality is surprisingly rich for such slim speakers, with a graphene driver and effective microphone noise reduction that keeps calls clear even at highway speeds. The large capacity battery, combined with fast Type-C charging and phone-level battery display, makes them a set-and-forget option for long-distance riders who hate constant recharging. Riders who face rain, dust, or cold weather will appreciate the strong water resistance and simple button layout for track changes, volume, and voice assistant control with gloved hands. Automatic call answering and one-touch access to Siri or other voice assistants let you handle calls and basic phone tasks while keeping both hands on the bars and attention on the road. The featherlight build, universal helmet compatibility, and straightforward installation make these speakers an easy upgrade that adds entertainment and communication without weighing down your lid.